That's quick as a shotgun. Alright, I got a question about how my Ranger 22 target rifle actually performs on targets instead of just, you know, pop cans and whatnot, shotgun shells at 30 yards, which it performs beautifully. But I decided to just go ahead and show you what kind of grouping I get at 50 yards with the Ranger 22. So let's go ahead and try it out. And at 50 yards, that's the kind of grouping you get with a 22 long rifle. With my Ranger 22 long rifle anyways. I've showed you in past videos I can make shots at 100 yards with it. Oh, he did not like that.
He likes Rasputin.
Yeah, maybe. Needs his wings clipped. What was she feeding him?
Cheerios and milk and Cheetos.
Yeah, that's probably.
Sometimes a ham sandwich.
Yeah.
So far this year, more than 7 million acres have burned. The worst part of the fire season won't come until late September. The worst part, late September and early October.
I don't think he likes the camera. Probably still a little freaked out about moving.
No, he's in his element now. He's about the way he usually is.